Welcome to VocabTales, where stories meet wisdom and vocabulary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Ever feel like your mind is jumping around, like a monkey? Buddhism calls it the monkey mind, always distracted, always restless. Today, let's learn how to calm it down using powerful Buddhist techniques in simple English. 1. Be aware. Mindfulness. You cannot control what you are not aware of. Mindfulness means noticing your thoughts without reacting. It's like watching clouds pass by. You observe, but you don't chase them. 2. Control through breathing. Your breath is your anchor. Focus on it. Inhale, exhale. Each breath brings you back to peace. 3. Let go of attachments. Most of our stress comes from attachment to desires, outcomes, even people. Letting go doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop clinging. 4. Practice right thought. Right thought means thinking with love and clarity. Your thoughts shape your reality. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. 5. Meditate regularly. Even 10 minutes of daily meditation can change your life. Don't fight your thoughts. Just watch them gently. The more you watch, the less they control you. Remember, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Thanks for watching VocabTales. If this brought you peace or a new word, like, comment, and subscribe for more.